Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. Today we are going to go over how to record on Frndly TV. Frndly TV, if you're not aware of it, we have a video on how to use Frndly TV, and basically what it is a option to get some of the channels that you may not be able to get on your provider or on a higher package. So like if you're streaming, a lot of times you can't get Hallmark and Weather Channel or outdoor channels. So this is the best way to supplement that, and it's only like $7 or $8. So it starts at $5. If you don't care about the DVR and the HD, but this is the HD DVR version. So and allows you 2 streams, and it's $7.99. So to record, what we're going to do is go over to the guide. As soon as you click on something, it asks you, if you want to record, start over, watch live. So you would just hit record. You can also watch a channel. And then I think actually my talking head is in the way, so let me move that. There we go, now I'm floating. So you can also go down here and record. And if we go back to the guide, you can also record something in the future. So if it's in the future, you only have the option to record. So those are the 3 ways to record. To access it, you go to My Recordings. And I haven't recorded anything yet. So you have any questions, please comment down below. Please subscribe to my video or to my YouTube channel. We're trying to get 1,000 subscribers. And thank you. Stay safe. Have a great day.